Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming the app version and platform because color controls vary. Make sure you have a backup of your current theme file before changing anything. Once you have a copy saved with a timestamp, open Settings and go directly to Appearance or Display to reveal color controls. You'll see primary, accent, and background options. Tap the color swatch to begin. This first step prevents lost preferences and gives you immediate access to the exact controls you will modify next. Now you edit the core color fields: primary, secondary, and accent. Enter HEX or RGB values for precision. You can paste an exact code or nudge sliders for fine-tuning. Once done, enable the live preview so you can see immediate changes across UI elements. This helps spot contrast issues quickly. Make sure to adjust text color and hover states to maintain readability and accessibility, because color alone can break usability. After confirming balance, prepare to save and finalize in the next step. Finish by saving your changes and applying the theme, then restart the app so values commit across all components. Once the app reloads, test common views and interactions. Make sure buttons, links, and form fields retain intended colors. If colors appear incorrect, clear the app cache or revert immediately to your backup theme file to restore a working state. Always test on multiple displays and both dark and light modes to ensure consistent appearance. This final verification prevents surprises.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.